Shopify POS Lite in detail. Shopify is a platform that allows businesses to develop and manage their own e-commerce website and online shop. One element that distinguishes Shopify from other e-commerce systems is its own built-in point-of-sale system. Businesses that utilize Shopify may use the same platform for both online and physical sales. This provides organizations with a consolidated picture of their inventory, customers, and sales data, rather than having to piece together data from disparate sources from various dashboards. The Shopify POS system is available in two variants, Lite and Pro. In this video, we'll look at the Lite version in detail to discover what it has to offer for company owners. Business owners may use an iPad, iPhone, or Android to track items, manage customer profiles, and collect credit card payments using Shopify Point of Sale Lite. The main distinction between Shopify POS Lite and Pro is that Lite lacks some of the more complex capabilities, such as unlimited shop workers, smart inventory management, limitless registers, and in-store analytics, to mention a few. Shopify Point of Sale Lite is included in all Shopify plans. There is an extra monthly price for POS Pro plans, but the features and value offered significantly transcend the small monthly fee. If you have any further queries concerning price, please see the link below. Shopify Point of Sale Lite features. Shopify POS Lite comes with all of the functionality that businesses require to conduct their sales operations successfully. These characteristics are as follows. Inventory control. Keep an eye on your inventory levels in real time to avoid overselling or running out of product suddenly. Customer management. Keep track of your customers' contact information and purchase history using Shopify POS. This information may be used to deliver targeted discounts and promotions. Credit card payments. Use the Shop Pay app on an iPad or iPhone to process credit card payments. Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover are all accepted credit cards, not to mention today's latest digital payments via your phone. Offline mode. Businesses may continue to process sales even if there is no internet connection available by using Shopify POS offline mode. While offline, you can make cash and check transactions. All offline sales will be synchronized with the Shopify platform once an internet connection is restored. Shopify Point of Sale Lite is an excellent choice for small businesses looking for a simple method to handle their items, customers, and sales activities. The platform is incredibly user-friendly and has all of the necessary functionality for businesses to operate their sales successfully. If you're searching for a low-cost point-of-sale system, Shopify POS Lite is definitely worth investigating. If you want a free expert demonstration, click on the link below.